In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and use an email alias in Gmail. An email alias allows you to send emails from an address other than your main account, yet everything is managed right from your Gmail inbox. It's a great way to segment different parts of life, whether personal, professional, or maybe something else entirely, without juggling multiple accounts. First, let's get started by heading over to Gmail. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Gmail website URL. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. If you're already logged in, you can just jump right in from the inbox view. Next, we need to access the settings. Take a good look at the top right corner of your Gmail interface. You'll see a gear icon just sitting there waiting to be clicked. That's your settings gateway. Give it a click and you'll see a drop down. From this menu, you want to choose See All Settings. This will open a whole new world of features and customization. Now that you're in the Settings menu, your eye should drift over to the Accounts and Import tab. It should stand out among the tabs at the top of your screen, and this is where we'll make the magic happen. Click on Accounts and Import to dive deeper. Once you're in that tab, focus on the Send Mail As section. This is where you'll add your new alias. Look for and click on the Add Another Email Address link. We're talking about the identity you want to present when sending out emails on this new alias. A new dialog box will open, asking for some information. Here you need to type the name you want to display when you send emails from this alias. It could be your name, a nickname, or maybe the name of your side business. Then, enter the email address you wish to use as the alias. You should keep the option Treat as an Alias checked. This is crucial because it tells Gmail how to handle the email sent from this address. When you're ready, press Next Step to proceed. Gmail wants to make sure that you own the email address you're trying to add, so they'll send a verification email to your alias email address with a link inside it. Head over to the inbox of that email account, open the verification email, and click on the link provided. This confirms that you've got access to that email and it's all safe and sound. You're all set to start using your alias now. The next time you compose an email in Gmail, you'll notice a From drop-down at the top. Click on that and you'll see the option to choose your alias email as the sender. Select it according to your needs, and voila, you're sending emails from your new alias like a pro.